Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Phi and this is Money Philosophy. Today we will continue our technical analysis with Tesla. The time this recording is 12:39 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and Tesla is hovering around $677. Let's talk about technical analysis and then let's look into the various catalysts that has happened and might be happening in the short term. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I am a growth stock investor and a trader, and I particularly love trading Tesla. And I'd love to share with you my investing and trading journeys. Let's get right into it. If you stay until the end of the video, I will do a check-in on my current trade on Tesla. Recall that I have a leap option with $1,000 strike price out to June 2023, and I just want to check in with you guys to share with you guys where we're at given this breakout of Tesla today, and I would like to project to see where Tesla will be going as well as where and when I would take profit on that option. So stay until the end of the video, but first let's take a look at technical analysis. So since we are in the middle of the trading day, let's take a look at the 30-minute chart first before we zoom out to the daily chart. So yesterday, as you saw, that Tesla was consolidating all day around 200 days SMA. Today, it broke out and moved up. The major catalyst for this is that Elon Musk announced after hours yesterday that Tesla would have its AI Day, Artificial Intelligence Day, on August the 19th. It is an important milestone for Tesla because usually on special days like this, obviously Tesla aims to recruit, but also Tesla will share with us the various AI progress that it makes, particularly I think would be involving full self-driving and how it could be monetized in the short term. I think that there are a lot to be said about Tesla full self-driving technology, how it does not use LiDAR, instead it only uses vision exclusively. I think that there's a lot of technology goes into that. It also serves a very important milestone. If analysts don't already figure this out, they should figure out by the time of AI Day that Tesla is not a hardware company only. It is definitely a technology company that embed high-level AI technology into the hardware. Even though the hardware is a very functional car and it costs a lot of money to buy that hardware, it's still very important to have the right software associated with it. So if you think of the iPhone, for example, the iPhone in and of itself is a great phone to use, but with the right software, it could enable you and me to do a lot of different things, such as online shopping, gaming, to name but a few, right? So if you look at Tesla as a computer system, where the car is just the hardware portion, the software would allow you to full self-drive, would allow you to play video games, watch TV inside the car, do shopping while on the road somewhere. It could enable us as a society to be a lot more efficient. The vision for full self-driving is a great vision to have, and I think we're heading there, whether with or without Tesla. But Tesla has been the pioneer in this process and has definitely accelerated the world to the transition, not only to sustainable energy, but also to full efficiency and allow us to maximize our potential. So that's just my 2 cents with Tesla. I'm super excited when it comes to Tesla software as an investor, but let's get back into charts. So as you can see here, Tesla started with the middle pivot line, which was $647, spiked through it. The top pivot line was $655. Now it gets to above recent resistance, $672, hovering around there. If it gets to $689, that is really good news for the bulls. And I do think that within tomorrow, if it does hold above $672 today, it could get to $704. So that is sort of the range for today and tomorrow. Once again, 50 days SMA, which is 632, and 200 days SMA, which is 645, currently serve as very strong support, and it has broken out of that support line. So where do we go from here? I think that this is a first breakout candle. There are a couple of possibilities from here, and again, this video is only filmed at around 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So a lot can change in the next 3 hours. But assuming Tesla ends the day above 672, I would say this is a breakout candle. And then the next day, we could look at the first possibility is that it would have a bullish continuation candle, which is an inside candle right at the top of this candle. So hypothetically, if you have a candle hovering right below 672 but ended the day also around 672, that is bullish. It cannot go below 660, 665 for me to feel comfortable. That is still bullish continuation. So we could have another candle there. The third day, it could break out from there. So I don't know if you know the 3 candle setup. This could be one of those setup, right? So the first day is the breakout. The second day is a consolidation, but without going too further down for a retracement. And then the third day would be the breakout. If the third day is not the breakout, the fourth day could be the breakout. So usually it's a 3 or 4 candle play. So that's one possibility. Okay. The second possibility is that tomorrow Tesla will gap up to about 689 level and stay up there, consolidating around there. And if that's the case, on Monday, we should see it continuation higher. So it also could gap up, stay there, and continue, right? So that's the second possibility. The third possibility is that it will just gap up slightly and went all the way up top to 746, which I think is probably less likely unless a bunch of investors, especially institutional investors, all of a sudden realize that Tesla is a crazy good stock and decide to buy. So I think that's a much lower probability at this point. So those are the 3 bullish scenario. The bearish scenario could be that it reversed completely tomorrow back down to 645 area, and if that's the case, the 2-day candle will make a failed rocket launch candle, and that is not good for the bulls. I don't really see that being the case now, since usually Tesla bullish runs last about 1 to 2 weeks, sometimes more. So I do think that with the AI day announcement catalyst, it could propel Tesla higher in the next few days. If you also look here, you see that this is a cup and this is a handle, right? You really have to look a little bit intensely to see that. I might be reading into it too much, but I would very much like to see that this is a cup and handle. And if that's the case, then this is 689 on the top of that candle range. And if it gets to above 704, I think it's going to fly. This could be the catalyst that sent Tesla back to 900 or not. We don't know. We will have to wait and see. But let's see the price action tomorrow. It is super important to know if this bullish run can be sustained. And we can only find out by waiting until the end of the day tomorrow. For me, if tomorrow Tesla consolidate around the 672 to 675 area, which is ending at the high end of today, as of right now, I will likely enter a call for the next run. Conversely, if Tesla retrace back down to below 660, I think the bullish run will be canceled, at least temporarily, and at least for my trade. If Tesla gaps up and stay up, that is also an opportunity for me to enter. And lastly, if Tesla doesn't do anything tomorrow and doesn't do anything on Monday, I will add another call next week, so that because the anticipation is that it will consolidate for a couple of days and then go back up. So it all depends on the price action tomorrow and the rest of the day today, assuming Tesla can hold this level. It is not unusual for Tesla to retrace the whole way by the end of the day, though. So this video could be invalid if it retraced back down to $645 area by the end of the day. So do keep that in mind. So as promised, we are doing a check-in on my LEAP option. I bought a Tesla call option at the strike price of 1,000. expiring June 2023. The cost of that option was $10,600. I purchased the option last Monday, and I was hoping that it would be running up leading into earnings, but it did not. Right now, it is still unrealized gain. I have not closed the trade. I'm still waiting to see what the current breakout will lead Tesla to. I will wait for an optimal point to exit, but since I have a lot of time, arguably I could hold on to Tesla until 2023 and potentially make 2 to 3 fold at least from this option. But it's also opportunity cost of money. What can I do with this $10,000 or $11,000 in the meantime that could potentially get me more money than Tesla option, right? I have a hard time thinking of the right stock for that. So I do think that my money in Tesla option right now is utilization of capital. For now, let's see what the bull run will materialize in the next few days. I probably will hold on to it until Monday and see. And then I will update you guys again if there's any movement. So this is it for this video. I hope you find the information helpful. Let me know in the comment down below if you like the technical analysis here, quick, short, to the point video. If you would like any other stock that you'd like me to analyze, I'd love to do a video for you. I'm usually trading Amazon, Tesla, Shopify, Roku, Nvidia. So those are the options and the stocks that I look at regularly. And lately I've been looking at MSTR as well. But if you like any other stock, I can do a quick analysis for you. With trading, for me, it has to be a stock that I follow regularly to have a good pulse and to have good perception, to have a good pulse on the stock and to be able to speak intelligently about it. With other stocks that you recommend that I don't have a lot of knowledge on, I can do a quick analysis for you in the comments section if you'd like. And other than that, I think we are good now, and until the next video, bye.